Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a real estate agent website with Squarespace as your base platform. And before we get into Squarespace, I just want to show you some things that I would like you to take notes on when you're trying to create your own website. So in order to create the real estate agent website, I asked the help of ChatGPT to give me some insights, and here are some of the things that we are going to be using as our guides today. So first things first, we have our homepage that will look good if we have search bar in it, hero section such as highlighted, featured, properties, offers, or location, and quick links for popular searches, as well as CTA or call to action buttons like get started or sell your property or find a dream home, stuff like that. And then we have property listings, which will consist of a bunch of images or videos about the property that we're trying to sell, and interactive map as well as agent contacts, which is ourselves. And you can also add advanced search or filters, agent or agency profiles. We got the about sections, obviously, to explain about the company, etc. It will also be nice if we can insert testimony from our buyers, sellers, and renters, as well as key achievements award. Then we got property valuation tool, user account dashboard, blog research section, and many more. So these are the guidelines that we're going to be referring to. Obviously, I'm not going to be creating every single one of the point. I'm just going to take some of an example and show you how you can create some of these things on Squarespace. So let's get back to our Squarespace here. As you can see, this is the dashboard that you will see when you go to squarespace.com, and I haven't logged into my account yet, but I already have an account in Squarespace, and if you would like to create one, you can always click this get started button, and you have the options to tell Squarespace about your sites first. And here I'm just going to type in real estate agency. So let's say this is going to be the one that we're using, and what it does is that it's going to help Squarespace to select the right templates for your website's design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. But if you don't want to specifically find the templates for real estate agencies, you can just skip this part. I always like to fill this in just to make things easier for me. And here we will want to choose on what we will do with our website. Would we like to sell products, sell membership, sell services, or maybe get appointment, etc. I'm going to say that I want to showcase work and expertise because I want to show the previous things that we've sold and testimonial, etc. And let's offer a contact form on that one too. Sell services, obviously. It would also be nice to build a community, but I'm just going to skip that one for now. And get appointment will be nice because I want to offer some sort of consultation for my customer. Sells invoices. And I think that's about it for now. We can always add more if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And here you have the options to use their AI system to help you create, or you can just choose the template. I always love to choose from the templates one because the AI one just doesn't work really well for me. So I'm just going to work with this one. And you can see that they're going to offer me a bunch of templates that I can start with to create my real estate agency. Here are some of the good one. I kind of like these ones right here, so maybe I'm just going to work, or maybe this one looks also nice. Okay, I prefer this one. I'm gonna go with this one, so I'm gonna click on it, and it's going to give me the preview of the overall templates. I can just scroll on it to see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like for now, and I can even see it in the form of mobile phone, which is really nice. And they will still give you other options if you maybe change your mind, but I'm good with this one. And you can see that there is other color presets that we can use for our website. I'm good with the first one, and I can also still customize it later on, so I'm going to start with this one. All right, and now we can start and logged in into our account. You have two options. You can use your email, or you can also use your Google. I'm going to be using my Google now, and I'm going to get back to you once we got into the editor. All right, so I'm going to do the name first. I'm going to add the name for my site. Let's say Moonsite Real Estate. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. These are just some notification that we can see and the things that we can do, because we chose some things before we decided to create this website. And this is what we got. This is the editor for now. So it's showing us all of the things that we can do. So remember that I chose to have invoices added into my website. And on the left side of the screen, I can see the navigation menu that allows me to see all of the things that I got on my website. I got the website itself, I got the product and services options, I got the invoicing options, I got content and membership. I don't think I'll be using this, but it's fine anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the website here. And you can see on the left side here, there is an edit symbol. I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, and it's going to allow me to play around with all of the elements that I got on my website. Let's start with the header first. So we can click on the edit header, and if I double click on this part, which is the part where I can add the name of my website, I have the options to change the site title if I want to, or I can add a logo. In order to add the logo, you can go ahead and click on this plus sign right here, and you can upload your file, or you can just select from the library of pictures that they have. Disclaimer, I'm not going to be focusing too much into the content of these website. I'm going to be just using some sample pictures that they have, but I'm still going to show you how you can customize this on your own and how you can add your own picture. So in order to upload your file, you can click on this upload file right here, which will brings you to your gallery or your download sections on your PC. So you can go ahead and choose any pictures from there and use it as your logo. You also have the option to add the mobile logo image, because you're going to have two display. One is when your customer or you will be seeing it through your desktop, and the second one is going to be through your phone screen. So you can choose that. I'm just going to leave the logo blank for now. I feel okay with the text being like this. And I have the options to edit the design of this header, so I can change the layout if I want to. As you can see, these are the layout that they offer me. I can put the name in the middle like so, or I can do something like this or something like this. So there's a bunch of things that you can do. I actually prefer the very first one, so I'm just going to stick with this one for now. And then you can control the spacing, you can add effect, you can define the size and the width, etc. You can even change the color if you want to. So currently it is adaptive, meaning that because I have pictures behind it, it's going to adapt itself to the picture so that it's not going to sort of contrast each other, which is really nice. But you can also change it to maybe solid color if you want. And then you can even change the color like so. So those are the things that you can do with the design of your section in general. And then you can always go ahead and edit the navigations bar right here. So I got the about for now. I got the pages that it links to. And I can arrange them if I want to. And I can even edit the button. For example, maybe I want to change it not to contact us. Maybe I wanted to say, maybe you rent now or buy now. I can change it like so, and then I can also edit the link so that it's going to go to the page that I want, or it will go to any link that I wanted to go to. like so. And that is for the header one. Now let's go to the sort of like image banner one that we got here. Again, we can always play around with the layout. We can change it however you want it to be. See that there is a bunch of options that we can choose. I really like this one with the sort of like running text on it. So I think I'm going to be using this one for now. And the running text can also be edited. You can edit the text to align according to how we want it to be. Then you can edit the text itself. So this is what it says for now. I can just double click on it and change it to how I want it to be. And then I can also change the design, like the directions of it, the speed of the text, etc. There is a bunch of things that we can do. And if you'd like to add some more block, you can also just click on the add block options here. You can add images if you want. Maybe you want to add like some sort of floating image, which you can just drag around. You can see if you click on it, it's going to put itself like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just go to the free images here. And I'm going to search for, let's say, houses and see what we got. There we got one. I'm going to duplicate this and add some more. Alright, so here I added some pictures and a button, and the way that I did it is that I click on add block and I add button. And here what I wanted to do is that I'm hoping that if people click on this specific button, and I'm hoping that it's going to bring them into the page for each property. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this for now, and we are going to try and connect this into one of the properties page. And in order to do that is I'm going to go to this pages sections, and I'm just going to go ahead and click add over here, and I'm going to start with a page layout because I want to create some sort of specific page for my property. It's going to be in the form of gallery, and let's say this is going to be my platform, and it's going to be property A. Alright, I'm just going to give an example on how that works. So this is going to be the page where I want the button that I've just created to connect to. So I'm going to go back to my website. Alright, so this is the home, and I'm going to continue and edit this, and I'm going to link this into property A so that when people click on it, it's going to bring them into that specific part of the website. Don't forget to always save things before you go. Once we're done with that, we can exit. And that is basically how you can edit the pages and sections on your website. Now, once you got people get interested into your website, and if they ever try to contact you through your website, you'll be able to see their contacts through here. And you can add a promotional pop-up if you want, just to get, you know, the contacts of your customer or people who are interested on using your services. You can do it by adding the pop-up like so, and then all of the details, contacts that you will get will be listed over here. And then you can also take a look at the invoicing part right here, or if you need more things, you can always go to the setup guide right here and see what you're missing from your website. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a real estate website with Squarespace.com. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.